Hi everyone, we're here at the All-Star Movies Resort taking a room tour. So these rooms are great for a family of 4 or even a family of 5. You could get a rollaway bed and be able to fit an extra person. We have 2 full-size beds, nice little Mickey breakfast nook, all trimmed with different Disney movies, nice flat screen TV, mini bar, mini fridge, storage, a nice little hook to store your Disney things. Here is separate sink, closet, bathroom facilities, fully equipped shampoo, conditioner, soap. The value resorts are the most affordable Disney rooms. If this is something you're interested in, contact us here at Wishing on a Star Travel. You could hold a package for a very small deposit and just pay over time and have the whole package paid for before you know it. We have great offers available, and if you haven't been during the Food and Wine Festival or the Halloween or the Christmas party, they're truly amazing times to come. If you have any questions, throw a comment below. Again, this is the All-Star Movies Resort standard room. And this hotel is super convenient. Makes your trip extra special. Give me a call today and we can get you booked.